New release alert. Vegah Milanoh teams up with Bonto Man for the electrifying Ndipeiwo. The airwaves are getting a fresh dose of rhythm and energy with Vegah Milanoh's latest official music video for his track, Ndipeiwo, featuring the talented Bonto Man. Dropping under the channel Vegah Milanoh ZA, this release is quickly proving to be a must-watch for music lovers looking for a vibrant and authentic sound. Introducing Ndipeiwo. The title of the track, Ndipeiwo, which translates to, give me, or, allow me, in Shona, hints at a compelling message or a deep request at the heart of the song. The combination of Vegah Milanoh's signature style with Bonto Man's vocal presence creates a dynamic synergy that is instantly captivating. The track itself is a strong example of contemporary African music, blending compelling beats with emotive vocals. It showcases the artist's versatility and their ability to craft a sound that resonates across cultural lines while maintaining its distinctive local flavor. The official music video experience. A great song deserves a powerful visual, and the official music video for Ndipeiwo delivers just that. The production is clean, professional, and designed to match the high energy of the collaboration. It brings the song's narrative, whatever Ndipeiwo is asking for, to life through powerful imagery and performance. The video serves as a perfect introduction for those new to the work of Vegah Milanoh and Bonto Man, and a strong confirmation for longtime fans of their consistent quality. Watch it now. If you're looking for your next favorite song, or just need a new track to add some bounce to your playlist, look no further than Ndipeiwo. Don't miss out on this fantastic collaboration. Check out the official music video here. Vegah Milanoh, Ndipeiwo featuring Bonto Man, official music video. Vegah Milanoh, Ndipeiwo featuring Bonto Man, official music video.